everyone. Today I want to talk about Uranus in Leo. This is part of my Uranus Science series. So you can check out the playlist called Uranus Science on my YouTube channel. It's got a couple of the other signs in there as well if you want to check out the other signs. So today we're going to talk about Uranus in Leo. What happens when the planet of change, sudden change, um, when it's in the fiery sign of Leo. So before I get started with the rest of the video, I wanted to let you guys know that I do natal chart readings. So I look at your birth chart, I look at the different energies that are playing out and interacting with each other, and I kind of forecast or decipher from your chart. It's a very intuitive reading that I do, where I figure out what kind of challenges you may be facing, and I give you a recommendation plan. I give you some suggestions that you can use to overcome these challenges in your life. And I also do synastry chart readings. So if you're already in a relationship or if you're trying to get into one and you want to know what the relationship is going to be like, what the outcome is going to be like, you can contact me for a synastry chart reading. And I also do tarot card readings. So you can ask me questions related to your health, finance, career, money, love, relationships, or any other aspect, and I'll do a tarot card reading for you as well. If you want to contact for any of this, drop me a message on my Facebook page. That's facebook.com/Venusian Score. And you can also drop me an email at astroluck111@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Both the links are in the description box below, so you can contact through any of these mediums. So let's get started. Today we're talking about Uranus in Leo. So what happens when, like I said, the planet of sudden changes, sudden disruptions is in the fiery sign of Leo, which has to do with being playful and childlike, and it is a very fiery energy. So Uranus, if we just look at the energy of Uranus, it is the planet of change. Now, this change is not in a Plutonic way where it's like a deep revival and upheaval, like a soul cathartic transformation. It's not that kind of change. Uranus is the ruler of Aquarius, so this is more, it's kind of an eccentric energy. It's like I like to compare it to the energy of electricity. It comes out of nowhere, it brings with it a lot of change, but it's really abrupt change. So it kind of leaves you feeling a little bit clueless. Where did this energy come from? Why am I having to deal with this? But just like all energies, disruptive or otherwise, it's there to teach us a lesson. So it's the same thing with Uranus. Uranus energy is very forward thinking. It's a visionary kind of energy. So when these disruptions happen, it's keeping in mind the future. It's keeping in mind our future self, so that we leap through time to reach that stage of evolution that has been set aside for us for the future, if that makes sense. I know I went off on a tangent there, but if we have Uranus in Leo, so that's just a general idea of the energy of Uranus in Leo. Now, if you look at the energy of Leo, so Leo is a fire sign, it's fixed fire. A lot of the times, Leo has been called the bonfire of the zodiac because it's contained, just like a bonfire or a fireplace, a beautiful crackling fireplace. That's kind of the energy of Leo in its most stable self. And Leo is a stable energy because it's a fixed fire sign. Leo is ruled by the sun traditionally, and it rules the fifth house of the zodiac, which has to do with playfulness, creativity, the sacral chakra center. Basically, it has to do with creativity. It has to do with playfulness, that childlike state. So even in tarot, the sun card, the strength card, these are symbols of Leo energy. So and also the fifth house rules hobbies and recreation and leisure, creativity in all its forms. So when we have Uranus in Leo, when you tend to pursue your fifth house activities, which is your leisure, your creativity, your hobbies, or when you try to express your creative side, it's going to be in a very almost an abrupt way. inspiration for your creativity may come through in very unorthodox ways. So, for example, if you are an artist, as just as an example, if you are an artist, if you draw and paint and sketch and that kind of thing, the ideas for your artwork, the inspiration for your artwork may come through very unconventional, very unorthodox, almost a little weird sources, because that's the energy of Uranus. Uranus likes to give you inspiration out of the box. Uranus is not about being in the box. Uranus is about thinking out of the box. I think that whole phrase, think out of the box, is very Uranian, very Aquarian energy. It's the energy of the scientist. It's the energy of the, I hate to use this term, but eccentric energy. But eccentric in a very visionary, very forward, futuristic sense, and also in a very humanitarian way, because Uranus rules Aquarius, which is the 11th house of, helping humanity. So whatever changes happen in your life, they may happen very abruptly, and even more abruptly because this is in a fire sign of Leo. So there may be a bit of a challenge here because Leo is a fixed sign, and Uranus, there's nothing fixed about Uranus. Uranus likes to stir things up because that's how you get the best ideas. That's how Uranus thinks. The best way you're going to get your ideas is by shaking things up, is by not staying in your comfort zone. That's how Uranus operates. And in Leo, it's going to be a struggle because Leo is a fixed sign. Even though it's a fire sign, and it does have that fiery element of taking on challenges and that strength card, right? Like making the most out of a challenge. I don't think Leo likes to back down from a challenge at all. But the challenge with these two energies, Uranus and Leo, is going to be in that fixed energy of Leo and that wild, sort of erratic, electrical kind of energy of Uranus, where Uranus is kind of forcing Leo to move out of that fixed energy and look at it from new perspective. So that can be a theme that plays out in your life a lot of times, where life throws you a challenge which really forces you to step outside of your comfort zone, and which is going to feel more difficult for you as a Uranus in Leo because you are used to doing things in a certain fixed manner, and when you're taken out of that comfort zone, it feels very uncomfortable. But that's usually where you'll find your best ideas. That's where you'll usually find fertile ground for bringing in new projects, new ideas, new inspirations, especially when it comes to your hobbies and your creative aspirations, because that's what the 5th house rules. So when we are looking at your hobbies, when we are looking at your creative aspirations, this is how this energy is going to play out. Now, another thing I also wanted to add is because Leo rules the sun traditionally, this is going to depend on where the sun is in your house, which zodiac sign, which house, what are the aspects that are being made to it. But somehow Uranus in Leo is also going to have a bearing on your sun sign because it's in Leo here. So you could have, for example, a sun in a very stable fixed earth like Taurus, just as an example, but the Uranus in Leo is going to stir things up for you. So there is going to be this constant theme in your life where you're just getting comfortable with life, and suddenly life throws you a curve, throws you a new challenge where you have to do things over, all over again. And that can be a recurring theme for you. And that can feel very uncomfortable for you because it's almost like just when you started getting comfortable with certain things, a certain pattern, a certain situation in your life, suddenly this bolt of energy comes in, it stirs things up. You never feel rooted somehow. You never feel that sense of stability. But I think the ultimate lesson here for you, Uranus and Leo, is that stability is not something you look for outside. Stability is something you find within yourself, and once you can stay centered in that energy of the self, that stability is inside you, not outside you. No matter what happens on the outside, it's not going to affect you as much as it used to. And I think 2020 was a big reminder of that. And even now, the Aquarian energies that we are operating in right now is a big reminder of that. Being comfortable with being uncomfortable, being okay with not knowing where we are going, and that we don't have to have all the answers right now, right here. So I think that's a big message, especially for Uranus and Leo, because you are a fixed sign, Leo, and so this energy can feel very uncomfortable sometimes. But I think it's in keeping with the current times of being okay with not being comfortable, if that made sense. So that's a little bit about Uranus and Leo. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. If this video resonated with you, if you have Uranus and Leo, please drop a comment in the comment box. I love to hear your views on it. I love to see if my videos resonate with you. And yeah, if you'd like to book a reading, definitely do contact me on Facebook or email. And that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.